Good morning, friends. This is Abid Garden. Our today's plant is rain lily. It is also called fairy lily, zephyr lily. Beautiful crocus-like flowers blooms after rainy shower. Therefore, they are called rain lily. They are in three colors: pink, yellow, and white. It is not difficult to grow these plants in right condition. When they are grown in right spot, its bulb produces rapidly and in abundance. Its maximum height is about a feet and are in full bloom in late spring, throughout late summer and during rainy seasons. Multiple flower bloom and each stem plant gets more flowers. It's better to plant these flowers in such soils which are wet and near waters. The buds of these plants are like bulbs. You can see these are the buds of pink rain lily in a pot, and these spread with the passage of time. If you plant one, it will multiply into many plants with these bulbs. These are the pink lily flowers. Now with a tool I am getting its bulbs slowly, and these are very careful. Be careful so that these are not torn or cut. These are the flowers of pink rain lilies, and now I will put these bulbs in land. This is water tape near, and the soil normally remains wet. Therefore, I am growing these bulbs here. Digs the soil and put these bulbs into soil one by one. Place the bulbs almost an inch deep, and the distance of plants should be 3 to 4 inches from other plants. Regular watering is important to keep the grass-like look of this plant. In certain conditions and without water, it may die back, but usually returns when watering resumes or weather changes. I have put these bulbs into soil here. Now I will water these plants with the pipe slowly so that no harm is. Yes, this is the water tape and I am watering it. I will also show you the yellow lilies now, which I will grow in a small pot. These were pink rain lilies. These are yellow rain lilies, which are thinner than pink rain lilies in flowers and stems. Both are thinner than the pink rain lilies. This is its bulb. I am putting it into soil gently, not to harm these bulbs or stems. The other bulb, slowly put the soil on it and gently press it, and then with a shower bottle shower this plant. Inshallah, we will meet in another video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. बंद